What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are here in an insane alien planet environment. I mean, this looks straight out of a movie. And if you don't know, every so often I build little prototypes is to show you guys and give you some inspiration and you show what Unreal Engine 5 can handle because it's really insane. So this is essentially an alien kind of planet from the marketplace. And then I have a little golem character again from the marketplace, and this is basically just a free for the month asset that was available some months ago. And as you can see, the combination just looks insane. I mean, you can really imagine unique games coming out of this. It really reminds me also like of movies, of science fiction and things like that. I mean, I pretty much love it. But yeah, we can also go ahead and run around, jump, go here, and I mean the quality is insane. So obviously I'm using the latest Unreal Engine version 5.5.4 and also nanite and lumen, so everything is at max quality. Well, not max, definitely there's some things that I could improve in terms of shadow distance and things like that. You might notice that every so often, but yeah, nah, this is pretty insane. So if we go ahead and eject from the player, we can kind of move around the environment. We can kind of go into this floating islands, which is so cool. So yeah, so as you can see, the map itself is not very big, but how everything is built in the composition looks even bigger. It's even like a lake here. Wow. I mean, even the water looks good. You know? Yeah, but really, like, what is interesting is the foliage, you know, because it's a perfect balance between actual tropical foliage and just alien foliage, right? It's like a mix, which looks insane, and I really like this. There's some splines going on. Honestly, I'm not sure for what these are. If it's for PCG or something, it looks like they're for PCG because this environment uses PCG for many things. But in this case, I'm not completely sure. But yeah, you can see the LODs running. That's because nanite is not enabled on all foliage, and this is just something that is still like a bit hard to balance. You know, in what types of foliage to enable nanite and in what types of foliage to essentially not enable nanite. And yeah, in this case, usually non-nanite will run the best. But if you have like a trillion trees, then nanite will do the best of the job, if that makes sense. But with that said, let's go back to our player character and let's keep walking in this path. But yeah, I mean, really, there's like a whole open world game that you could create with this, a whole story game, a whole adventure game, a whole exploration game. I mean, there's honestly like unlimited ideas I could give you right now. But yeah, I mean, this video is simply just to show you what Unreal Engine is up, cool environments, and just inspire you, you know, little things. Obviously, there's not any mechanics, any functionality, there's not any craziness in terms of, you know, features, but just a cool environment to walk around. And that's lots of the time more than enough to get the brain going and really start to add things together, which is pretty cool. Now, I can also change the weather, it seems like, which is pretty cool. And the time, I actually changing the time. The 3 is the weather. Ooh, wow, I didn't know this. This is cool. So it's basically like just clear sky and then kinda rainy but without rain, you know, kinda more like cloudy and stuff. Wow, it's actually pretty good. There's also a first person view, which is pretty good, and honestly the whole game changes. I mean, look at this, cloudy and with first person. You also have a flashlight, which it seems like, okay, I think it's enabling, but I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. And then we also have a drone. Oh my god, it's an actual drone. I didn't know this. Which is not really moving. I think it's binded to the old input system of Unreal, but that's actually pretty cool. This little drone. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you found this video interesting and cool, just hit the like button. If you wanna see more like showcases, let me know. This is not any affiliation, sponsor, or whatever with the asset creators. Literally, this is just a project that I built together in 2 seconds, just to show you guys what we can build with Unreal Engine in absolutely no time, and how everything is just so cool. So with that said, guys, like and subscribe, and now yes, go ahead. Bye.